If you're experiencing FPS drops in Apex Legends, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming performance. Follow this guide to help restore smooth gameplay. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as updates can significantly enhance performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings. Navigate to the Settings menu in Apex Legends and reduce options such as texture quality, shadow detail, and anti-aliasing. This can help improve FPS by reducing the load on your system. Step 3. Optimize game files. Verify the integrity of the game files through your game launcher, Origin, or Steam. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, ensuring the game runs smoothly. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Apex Legends, close unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing the game to utilize more CPU and RAM for better performance. Step 5. Monitor system temperature. Check your system's temperature to ensure that overheating is not causing performance issues. Use monitoring software to keep an eye on CPU and GPU temperatures, and clean your hardware if necessary to improve airflow. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Apex Legends. Enjoy your gaming experience.